What's going on, guys? Naz here on the Spooling Up channel. I know it's been ages since I posted a video, but here is one today. I've been really busy with other things, not really related to the cars, so I'm glad to finally be sat back in the BMW E46, giving it some more TLC. Had a lot of stuff done recently. I've replaced a load of parts with genuine bits from BMW. I've had my bonnet resprayed, I've had my wings resprayed. I'm just trying to keep this car in tip-top condition. I've had a load of bits sitting around for this for a long time now as well, so I'm going to go ahead and replace one of them today. And it's actually part of the bonnet release mechanism underneath the bonnet. When I pull the bonnet release here in the car, the little lever's supposed to flip up between the kidney grills. It's not been doing it for some time now. I think one of the springs there is knackered. So I'm going to go ahead and change that now. I think it's only a couple of bolts, so a nice, quick and easy one. But yeah, it's going to be really nice and effective. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Okay, so as you can see, bonnet's been popped. It's popped up, so I know that that part of the mechanism's working because it actually lifts when I pull the release. However, this part here in the kidney grill, it's very stiff now. It's nowhere near as free as it used to be, and I believe it's down to the spring no longer working, because I've tried to clean any gunk off the mechanism and used WD-40, but nothing's happened. So what I'll be doing now, just looking at replacing this piece here. So I've got a brand new one in the boot. It just looks like some torque screws, so I'm going to go ahead and fetch it now. Right, so here we go. Here's the new piece, genuine from BMW. I think I paid about 27 or 28 pounds for this. Anyway, let's get it unwrapped and get it on the car. Okay, so that was simple. Here's the new one. Here's the old one. And here are the two T30 bolts or screws that you need to remove. So it's all ready to be swapped over now. I wanted to just do a quick comparison to show you how stiff this is. So you can see it doesn't actually have much of a spring back. It's supposed to end up here, so it's no good at all. Whereas if you look at this new one, it's literally effortless. Now what I will do is I'm going to do a bit of an experiment, see if I can actually free this up now that it's off, give it a good clean up, maybe leave it soaking in some WD-40 and see if and some degreaser, and see how things go. Okay, so here's the new one on and fitted. What I'll do now is just close the bonnet, see how well it works. I tried to line it up with roughly the old lines from where the old one was, but I also cleaned the area so some of the lines disappeared. Let's go ahead, close it, open it, see how it works. So now, as you can see, when I pull the bonnet release from inside, the lever pops out just as it's supposed to, and then when I close the bonnet, oh, if I can, it retracts completely back to where it should be. So there we go, job done. Right, now just a quick lesson for some of you guys. When I got my car resprayed, I got it back. Some of the bits, like this T-piece here, was broken, and these clips as they go along were also missing. There should be another one here. So yeah, unfortunately I've had to go to BMW and try and get these bits. So I bought 3 of these clips underneath, and I'll tell you why. Online these were 10 or 12 pounds. That's what I paid, 90p. This is a non-return valve, T-piece, but it's a non-return valve. £7 from BMW, £10 online. It's not always cheaper buying things off the internet. Right, so that job there is finished now. So that bonnet lever, along with the clips that hold the washer line in, and along with that non-return valve T-piece, all fitted under there. It's so much better. Literally having to pull that bonnet before and then go in and then have to put your finger in and pull that lever out. It was just so annoying. It's so nice to see things operating how they should be with a car as well, so I'm so glad that that's done now. And all in all, doing all those bits under there, I think probably cost me just under £40, so I'm so happy with it. All genuine bits, nice new shiny sparkly things down there. So yeah, I've got another thing coming up on the BMW as well. It's one of the sensors on the bonnet that actually confirm when the bonnet's closed. My alarm's been going off over and over again when the car's been locked, so I've had to disconnect it. I've also got that piece to change, so I'll be doing that in the next video. Guys, thank you so much for sticking around. If you've continued supporting and subscribing, I plan to get more and more videos to come in the future. I've not been the best recently with getting things released, but things are going to be picking up again, so that's great. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.